Yeah, girl, I was on the phone. Yeah, Shakisha. Yeah, yeah. I'm over here with her right now. She's doing pretty good. She be pretty good at a lot of ways. Uh-huh. Yeah, girl. Yeah. I don't know. Could you leave my microwave alone, ma'am? Girl, I don't know what's wrong with these kids these days. They get so overreacted. Uh-huh. Leave my microwave alone. But anyways, I was on the phone. I talked with David the other week. Ma'am, do we got a problem? Do we have a problem? Do I have to put my phone down? Yes, girl, yes. Uh-huh. I was on it like last week. Uh-huh. Yeah, I had to clean up the house and stuff. I don't know. Shakisa, hold on. Hold on, it's about to get ugly.